everybody. My name is Tanya Hatter, and we are developing BreathEase. It's a platform for remote patient monitoring and digital pulmonary therapy. 16 million people in the US suffer from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 20% of COPD patients are readmitted to the hospital within 30 days of discharge, costing around $11,000. Pulmonary rehabilitation has been proven to manage COPD effectively by reducing hospital readmission rates and improving quality of life. However, only 4% of patients complete the full program, and the reasons include distance to facility, time, travel, and cost, disabilities, time of work, and lack of motivation. What if patients could complete pulmonary rehabilitation at home and at their own time? We are developing a fully digital and autonomous pulmonary therapist. BreathEase is a smart mask that is designed to enable COPD patients to participate in digital, gamified, at-home pulmonary rehabilitation and providing remote patient monitoring. The wearable mask provides real-time measurement of important breathing parameters, and it works in a closed loop with interactive user interface that guides patients through games to complete their rehab program. This way, patients can do this at home at their convenient time. They will enjoy this experience and will feel much better. And also, there is a monitoring that will alert the patients if there is a risk. Our team has expertise in sensors and medical devices, in pulmonology and COPD, and in game design, user experience, and AI. We thank our mentors who helped us to identify key important aspects relating to patient compliance, to regulatory and reimbursement landscapes. For example, we now know that insurance reimburses those who diagnosed with moderate and severe COPD patients, and if only 1.5% of these will adopt our solution, we will have revenues of $400 million a year. So far, we developed the initial prototype, and we plan to refine it by the end of the year. We will conduct clinical tests, obtain FDA clearance, and launch the first device for home monitoring in 2026. The second product will have the same hardware, but with the addition of the digital therapist software, and will be launched 2 years later. Our plan to scale up and enter the market will be partnering with durable medical equipment companies to help bring it and distribute it. Thank you very much for your attention, and I will gladly hear from you if you have any advice that will help us bring this technology for COPD patient management. Thank you.
Tanya, thanks. Really good presentation. What I'm wondering is, going back to sort of the statement on potential revenue, I noticed you mentioned 20% of COPD patients are readmitted, but you're also mentioning 4% are not completing their pulmonary rehabilitation. So can you sort of define the opportunity statement in that patient population? Is it the 20% that are being readmitted, or is it the 4% that are not completing their pulmonary rehab?
So those are two different things. We have 20% of patients that are readmitted, and hospitals are penalized if they have high readmission rates within 30 days. So they are incentivized to provide pulmonary rehabilitation for these patients. However, from those who are eligible, and they don't need to be hospitalized to be eligible for pulmonary rehab, but out of all the eligible patients, only 4% complete the program. It's a several-week problem, 3 times in person driving to the facility. So this accessibility, this is something we will solve.